If you're lazy and still want to lose fat, welcome. You're not alone. I'm not here to sell you a diet or convince you to join a gym you'll ghost in a week. I'm just giving you simple, real stuff that actually works. No drama. Tip 1. Walk more. Walking helps you burn calories without feeling like you're exercising. It improves digestion, reduces bloating, and even boosts your mood.
이거 샀다. 뭐 샀어?
Literally, 20 to 30 minutes a day makes a big difference. You can walk while listening to music, podcasts, or pretending you're in a dramatic movie scene. No judgment. Tip 2. Eat high-fiber foods. Fiber keeps you full longer, so you eat less without feeling hungry all the time. It also helps with digestion. Add oats for breakfast, snack on fruits, and throw in veggies with meals. Easy upgrades. Tip 3. Get enough sleep. When you're tired, your body craves more sugar and junk. It also slows down fat loss. Sleeping 7 to 8 hours helps control hunger hormones, boosts metabolism, and keeps your energy steady during the day. Basically, naps are now fitness approved. Tip 4. Stay in a calorie deficit, simple version. This just means eating a little less than your body needs, so it uses fat for energy. No crazy counting needed. Just swap high-cal snacks for lower-cal ones. Example, switch from regular soda to zero sugar, fried snacks to roasted, and eat smaller portions if you're full. Tip 5. Eat more protein. Protein keeps you full, helps control cravings, and supports muscle, so most of your weight loss is from fat, not muscle. Even simple stuff like boiled eggs, dal, yogurt, or peanut butter can help a lot. So yeah, walk more, eat more fiber and protein, sleep well, and eat just a bit less than usual. It's not about being perfect. It's about being consistent in a chill, lazy-friendly way. You'll feel better, move better. And your body will thank you for not doing anything extreme.